Hello everyone, welcome to another comparison video between Helium 10 and Amazon Scout. Now I will give you a full pros and cons, full breakdown in this video. However, before we get started, I do want to say that I am an affiliate for Helium 10 and you can get 20% off for 6 months or 10% off every single month on Helium 10 plans. This is just for the people that are watching this video. You can click the link down below for more. Now let's go and let me give you an unbiased review on Amazon Scout versus Helium 10. Now, first and foremost, what I want to say is if you take a look at the comparison, here are just some of the key differences listed right here. Now, when it comes to depth of database, Amazon Scout has more products in its database. Specifically, the tool includes over 600 million Amazon products compared to the 450 million found in Black Box, which is a tool on Helium 10. So with a more extensive database, you can surface more products for your business, right? This is one thing that Amazon Scout is being better at Helium 10. Now, weekly trend reports with Amazon Scout, you can find weekly ideas of promising niches. These are selected by a special algorithm to locate the best upcoming opportunities. Again, this feature is available to users with annual subscription. Now also listing quality score, Amazon Scout includes a listing quality score or LQS feature in both Pro extension and the product database. With the LQS, you can see what niches will be more difficult to enter, which is great, especially for the beginners that want to enter a specific niche. Now, as you can see here, this is where the Helium 10 is actually, being different. Now, Helium 10's research tools focus primarily on private label sellers and businesses that manufacture their own products. So keep that in mind. If you are a private label seller or a businesses that manufacture their own product, that means that Helium 10 is the best choice for you. You can exit out a video and again, you can go and opt out for any of the plans on Helium 10. On the other hand, if Amazon Scout basically offers product research capabilities for all sellers, including resellers. So if you are sourcing your products wholesale or through dropshipping, you can take advantage of this to get better insights for your business. So when you take a look at the Amazon Scout tools right here, if you take a look at tools, here are just some of the tools that you have that you don't have on Helium 10. As you can see, you have listing creation service with by seller hook. Obviously, this is also present in the Helium 10 as well. You have fees calculator for Amazon FBA, which is great. These are free tools. Obviously, they have more free tools than Helium 10. However, on the other hand, Helium 10 has a very, very big, not big, but I would say a very detailed way of giving you, giving you data through these tools. For example, product research, you have Chrome extension, you can analyze product viability. You can go to Amazon, you can see which products are, the listing score of the products. You can see search products from any category. You have keyword research, you can search the keyword research as well. And search for the keywords that are specific to your products. You have listing optimization, obviously operations, stuff like that, follow-ups, automate email marketing, stuff like that, which you don't have on Amazon Scout. Now, if you take a look at Helium 10 and Amazon Scout from this perspective, platform supported, you have SaaS and web, you have iPhone, iPad, Android. If you want to use Helium 10 on that, you can use it. The audience, as you can see, for Amazon Scout is basically for Amazon sellers, beginner sellers as well. Now, the audience for Helium 10 is Amazon sellers, Walmart sellers, and Shopify sellers. So overall, the audience is a bit broad. And then as you can see, obviously, it offers API. The Amazon Scout does not offer API. And if you want to learn the Helium 10, you can get started for absolutely free, which is great. While on the other hand, free version does not exist for Amazon Scout, unfortunately, at this time. As you can see, training, you also have a lot of training. On that other hand, Helium 10 is a bit better when it comes to that. It has been founded in 2015 and it has a bit more data when it comes to that. So obviously, this is an unbiased review. I gotta say that Amazon Scout has a lot of tools. Sometimes it gets me a bit worried that, Amazon Scout will become better than Helium 10, but in a nutshell, I would say these tools are the same, but Helium 10 offers a bit more when it comes to the availability on platforms. the audience that targets. So you can be a Walmart seller, you can be a Shopify seller or an Amazon seller. You can go on Helium 10. And then it offers API, which is great, and it also offers a lot of the pricing is $0 per month, so it's, you know, barrier to entry is free, and then the training videos, documentations, webinars, live online trainings are completely as well free, and it has a lot of documentation. So would definitely recommend Helium 10 for this, especially if you're a beginner, if you're someone that is you know, an Amazon seller specifically, and you just want to know more about data, and you want to know, you know, everything about the data, and you want to have you know, tools that are really great for your particular for example, for dropshipping, arbitrage, or wholesale extension for Amazon, then Amazon Scout is the best for you. However, on the other hand, Helium 10 is the best for you if you are a Walmart seller, if you want to learn how to use keyword research tools for free. Again, you have a free plan, and then it's also good if you are a Shopify seller as well. So obviously, as I said, I am an affiliate for Helium 10, so you can get 20% off for 6 months on any plans, or 10% off every month for a lifetime on any plan. However, I would say both of these tools are great. Again, you can check out all of the links down below for Helium 10, and obviously check out the Amazon Scout as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.